In the complex world of mergers and acquisitions, we often find documents that, due to their confidential nature, remain hidden from public view. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of one of these documents, the side letter. A side letter is a separate agreement that complements or modifies the main agreements of an M&A transaction. It is used to record agreements on matters that, for various reasons, should not appear in the set of documents that make up the transaction. The reasons for using a side letter can be diverse. Some of the most common are legal reasons. Avoid disclosing sensitive information that could harm one of the parties. Tax reasons. Structure the transaction in a way that optimizes taxes payable. Opacity reasons. Keep certain agreements out of the public eye for strategic or reputational reasons. A side letter is a short, transactional document that focuses on the specific agreements that you want to keep confidential. In addition, it usually includes confidentiality clauses that protect the information contained in the document. However, it is important to note that the confidentiality of a side letter is not absolute. If a judge becomes aware of its existence and requires it, the parties are required to provide it in court. Now let's reflect on the usefulness of side letters. Are they really necessary? Or are they simply a tool to hide information that should be public? The answer is complex. While it is true that side letters can be used to hide unethical, unorthodox, or paralegal information, it is also true that in many cases they are necessary to protect the legitimate interests of the parties. Ultimately, the usefulness of a side letter will depend on its content and the intention of the parties when using it. In short, side letters are confidential documents that are used to record agreements on matters that should not appear in the main documents of an M&A transaction. While they can be useful in certain cases, it is important to remember that their confidentiality is not absolute, and that their use must be ethical and legal. At ILP Abogados, we have expert M&A lawyers who will advise you on the usefulness and risks of side letters. Contact us and ensure the success of your next transaction. Contact our AIs, Savvy and Atenea. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.